take a look at the 1 chord moving to the 6 chord in D major. Okay, the 1 chord's going to be a dirty D. The 6th chord is going to be a B minor. Again, the 1 chord, D major, 6th chord, B minor. That's the 1 chord moving to the 6th chord in D major.